original Baumgartners, or at least the way I order it, Braunschweiger sandwich with, you guessed it, some Limburger cheese. Oh, baby, this is gonna be so good. I'm gonna do some onion, some awesome rye bread, and oh, I got Braunschweiger too. See you in a minute. Starting off with the onion. This is pretty simple stuff here. It's not the prettiest onion I've ever seen, but that's all right. Yeah, this has got some body damage. Easy peasy. Awesome. Obviously, I'm going to show you the first bite, but I just want to make this point. This is double wrapped Limburger cheese because it gets a little stinky and it's going in the garage refrigerator just because I know. Let's check it out. Oh. So good. It's that creamy Limburger, which is just a really aged brick, sliced raw onion, Braunschweiger, and sweet German mustard. Seriously? You gotta try this.